Oh my god, I miss this so much. I miss this so much. I really like the smell so much.
Yeah, I don't like the smell.
Hi guys, this is Mary Joy and welcome to Talking Channel. So today, Linas will be trying Filipino snacks. So I'm excited. So here we have a lot of snacks, as you can see. Look. So we ordered this online, guys, and these are the famous Filipino snacks. So it will be his first time to try Filipino snacks. What about you, love? You want to try it too? Huh? So anyway, Adam is actually 4 months already, and he can already do so many things that we don't expect that he can do in this age. So anyway, let's without further ado, let's try this delicious Filipino snack. Do you know that Alice Gonzaga is the endorser of this one? So this is made of potato. This is cano. Smell it. You like the smell? Smell. You like the smell too? Come on, love, try it. I want to try it so much already. Is it good? It's good, right?
We have similar thing in here, but I don't like the seasoning.
You don't like this?
Seasoning, yeah.
It's good. So it's no.
For me,
What
no.
about from 1 to 10? What would be your rate for this one?
No, 2 or 3.
Just 2 or 3. This is my favorite.
But I don't like the seasoning. We have the same shape and kinda potato, like baked potato like this too, cut like that as well.
Boy bawang. Now, I did not try this flavor yet, huh? I haven't tried this flavor. Which one? I haven't. So open. I know that. Oh my god, smell it. Smell it. You good? It's corn nub with garlic flavor. I know how you love this sound. Is it good? You love crunchy sound. Grinding.
For me, it's like no taste. It is spicy, no taste, but better than those chips for me because, like I said, I don't like the seasoning.
So from 1 to 10?
I would say this could be 4.
That's so shitty rate, oi.
Because it's like missing flavor. It's like just if I would eat like plain, no flavor like that. Just at the end there's like, what's it called? Spicy, and that's it.
So next is sweet corn. And the one that I really like also. Oh my god, I miss this so much. I really like the smell so much. This is my favorite now. You like it?
Not so much. It really tastes like corn. It's basically like you're eating dry corn like that. Feels like that. It's better than that last one too.
So what is your rate?
I would say 5.
Okay.
Because at least this has taste, but at the end the taste is like corn.
Let's say next. I'm disappointed of your ratings. Next is this Polvoron from Goldilocks. Do you have Polvoron here?
Huh? I would say it's like 6.
This is 6.
Yeah, but it really reminds me of the sunflower. You have like halwa in here.
Really?
Probably this is very filling too, right?
Yeah.
What's it made from?
Milk, I guess.
Because it's really similar to that halwa sunflower.
This is kano. Uy, Adam's na sila ba? So, let's continue our vlog. So, love, next is this yummy delicious. I forgot. But I forgot really what we call this in Philippines. But it's like, I tried to make it like this. You remember that?
Yeah?
Oh, okay. But this one is dry. Okay.
It's so hard.
Is it good?
Right. It's okay.
Oh, it's my baby. Just okay?
Yeah.
Rating.
7.
I'm getting suspicious of your ratings, huh? Yeah, you will eat this?
It's kind of okay, but I mean, it's feel like a little bit burnt or something like that.
Yeah, me too. What is it called? Kiri. Yummy flakes. Shrimp flavor. Shrimp.
Yeah, I don't like the smell.
This is like the smell of a market where you sell fish. What about your ratings?
6 or 5 because it's like almost no taste and the smell is.
Okay.
I guess people who like really, how's it called, those shrimp, I think they would like it. But since I'm not into shrimp, so.
That's the second last. Wait. Can you smell? You cannot smell it? Oh yeah. This is the fish duck. Fish duck.
I think we have something like this in here.
Like that?
Not so much. It's like 6, clean like that one, like shrimp. Just to know. Good for you.
Last one. Muncher. Childhood favorite. Smell it first.
No, I don't like this smell.
More.
No.
You should eat more so you can feel it in your teeth.
I already feel it. It's kinda salty.
No, you're lying because I cannot feel it yet.
I can. It's kinda salty. It's like the things that we have in here for beer. Yeah, with the beer. Drink beer and you munch something like this.
You want? Smell? Smells so good. Smells so right. I want to eat all this snack. So what is your rating?
6.
Ratings after 6. So your highest rate is
7.
7.
Yeah.
And that was the this one. This
Yeah, and Goldilocks. For me, adobo is way more delicious. Way more delicious. The sauce of the snacks for me is like not so.
What about the bulalak?
Yeah, it's also way better.
So what can you say about Filipino snacks that you have tasted?
In this, it's like for me not that delicious. I mean, just munching. Maybe if you have nothing to eat, it's fine, but I wouldn't buy it.
Really?
I think for sure in Philippines there should be more better snacks than this.
Yeah.
Just maybe you don't know them yet or didn't try them yet. Because for me this would not impress me as if for me no.
Adam is stressed now.
Yeah. But that's just my opinion. I would have to try on more people. Maybe other people would like it, but for me, Plus I had to stay away from food like that too when I was small. Diet for my anemia.
What is the most delicious food that you have tried in your life? Do you have?
Japanese meat in that bar. Where
That beef?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
I think I can beat it. I can make it.
Because I think the beef is young and specially fed and it's made in Japan and that sauce too.
So it's not the Filipino food?
No. You asked me what's the most delicious, so I remember that really. The first time I went there, it's like was crazy delicious really. That one. Number 2 was I guess in Osaka station, but I don't remember exactly.
Are you sure we stay in Philippines in Manila in that five-star hotel?
Yeah.
And the food there are not good for you?
Not the best in my whole life. I wouldn't say it's like the very, very best.
So it's Japanese food?
Yeah. Not all Japanese food. I'm not fan of all Japanese food. Some food I hate.
I'm sad now.
Should I lie?
No. So we should go back to Japan and eat this again. We do much because the time that we went to Japan, guys, was for my visa here in Lithuania. So anyway, guys, if you are curious or if you just want to know how I get my visa here in Lithuania, I went here when I was 18. Yeah.
I came here.
I came. Yeah, I came here when I was 18. So maybe some of you are planning or have a fiancé or boyfriends that live in Lithuania. So I could make a video of how I get my visa. But also at the same time, I'm still not finished with my visa here in Lithuania because we still need to process my passport, which is...
You're finished with your visa, but would need a Lithuanian, let's say, change your passport because your family name changed.
Okay.
Like that. So you would need a new passport, but your current one still is viable for 8 years. But for those 8 years, you have to get a new passport.
Okay. So yeah, just in case you want to know how I get my visa or how we get my visa. And also, I can also make a video of how we met. So I can make also that video. So for this video, this is the end. And thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like our video and share so we will guys grow together. Because I will need 1,000 subscribers so that I will start to earn some penny. And yes, thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye. Say bye.
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 Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Do it like that. Again.